Hey everyone, welcome back to Brighter Minds Academy's YouTube channel, and in today's lesson we're going to learn about exponents and all the important exponent laws in a simple and easy way. If you've ever seen something like 2 raised to power 3 or 5 raised to power 4 and wondered what it means, don't worry, by the end of this video you'll understand how exponents work and how to use all the exponent rules. First, let's understand what an exponent actually is. When we write something like 2 raised to power 3, the number 2 is called the base, and the small number 3 is called the exponent. An exponent simply means repeated multiplication. So 2 raised to power 3 means we multiply 2 by itself 3 times. The step would be first write the repeated multiplication, which is 2 times 2 times 2. Then multiply the numbers together. 2 times 2 equals 4, and 4 times 2 equals 8. Let's move on to product law of exponent. This law says that when we multiply powers with the same base, we add the exponents. For example, 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power 2. Step 1 is to check that the base are the same, which they are because both are 2, right? Step 2 is to add the exponent. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. And step 3 is to write the answer with the same base and the new exponent, giving us 2 raised to power 5. If we calculate it, 2 raised to power 5 equals 32. Next is the quotient law of exponents, which is used when we divide powers with the same base. The rule says we subtract the exponents. For example, 5 raised to power 6 divided by 5 raised to power 2. Step 1 is to confirm the base are the same. Step 2 is to subtract the exponent. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. Step 3 is to write the answer as 5 raised to power 4. If we evaluate that, 5 raised to power 4 equals 625. Another important rule is the power of a power rule. This rule says that when a power is raised to another power, we multiply the exponent. For example, bracket 3 raised to power 2 bracket and 3. Step 1 is to multiply the exponents. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Step 2 is to write the base with the new exponent, giving us 3 raised to power 6. Step 3, if we calculate 3 raised to power 6, it equals 729. Now, let's talk about the power of a product rule. This rule says that if an exponent is applied to a multiplication, the exponent applies to each factor. For example, 2 times 3 bracket 2. Step 1 is to apply the exponent to each number. 2 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 2. Step 2 is to calculate each power. 2 squared is 4 and 3 squared is 9. Step 3 is to multiply these results by 4 times 9 equals 36. Similarly, we have the power of a quotient rule, which applies when a fraction has an exponent. The exponent applies to both the numerator and the denominator. For example, 2 over 3 raised to power 2. Step 1 is to apply the exponent to both the numbers, 2 raised to power 2 over 3 raised to power 2. Step 2 is to calculate each power, which gives 4 over 9. So the final answer is 4 over 9. Always remember to reduce fractions if they're reducible. Now, let's look at the zero exponent rule. This rule says that any number raised to the power of 0 equals to 1, as long as the base is not 0. For example, 7 raised to power 0. There are no multiplication steps here. By the rule, the answer is simply 1. The same happens with 100 raised to power 0, which equals 1. Next is the negative exponent rule. A negative exponent means we take the reciprocal of the base. For example, 2 raised to power negative 3. Step 1 is to move the base to the denominator, which gives us 1 over 2 raised to power 3. Step 2 is to calculate the power. Now, did you see that I had to convert the negative into the positive? And you convert this by reciprocating it. So it becomes 1 over 2 raised to power 3. Step 2 is to calculate the power. 2 cubed is 8. Step 3 is to write the final answer, which is 1 raised to power 8. Finally, we have the fractional exponents, which represents roots. For example, 16 raised to power 1 over 2. Step 1 is to recognize that the denominator of the fraction tells us the root. So 1 over 2 means square root. Step 2 is to take the square root of 16. The square root of 16 is 4. So 16 raised to power 1 over 2 equals 4. Another example is 27 raised to power 1 over 3. Step 1, the denominator 3 means cube root. Step 2, the cube root of 27 is 3. So, to summarize, when multiplying powers with the same base, we add the exponents. When dividing powers, we subtract the exponents. When raising a power to another power, we multiply the exponents. When an exponent is applied to a product or fraction, we distribute it to each part. Any number to the power of 0 equals 1. Negative exponents become reciprocals, and fractional exponents represent roots. And that's a simple overview of all the main exponent laws. If this video helped you understand exponents better, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who might need help with math. And if you need extra help for any subject from grade 1 to 8 or even higher schools, you can contact us on our email address given below. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay healthy and eat healthy.